In this video, I'm going to show you how to add SL and TP or stop loss and take profit in TradingView Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is connect your broker. If you don't know how to do this, I have a separate tutorial on how to do it, so make sure you watch that first. And then you want to go to the very bottom right on your chart where you can see above the community tab, there's like an arrow up and arrow down button. So just tap on that and it's going to open up the order menu. Now, of course, here I'm currently on the Bitcoin USD. Of course, you can do this for any order. You have to then first select if you want to sell or buy up top, then select your order type, either market, limit, or stop, and then of course select your price and then the amount, stuff like that. And then where it says exits in the middle, you have the take profit and then the stop loss as well. Now you have a few options over here. So as you can see, it says take profit price, and then there's like an arrow down. If you tap on that basically toggle button to the very far right, you'll be able to see it's going to basically enable you to basically place one. And if you now tap on that arrow next to where it says price, so take profit price, you could go ahead and set a take profit and the stop loss in ticks, percent price, USD, or percent balance. Of course, it's completely up to you. So of course, you can just enable this or disable this, the take profit and stop loss, by tapping on that toggle button at the far right next to them. And then of course, you can just basically change them. Just make sure that they are, of course, correctly placed, because this one, for example, as you can see, it's been set by default, but it now says that it must be below the entry price. Okay, so that's basically how to add a stop loss and take profit, and then you can just go ahead and place your buy or sell order and you're good to go. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.